car. It's lush! Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. And for today's video, we are obviously out in the summer. Look at this, it's absolutely gorgeous. And we've got the new whip. I'm absolutely buzzing. Look, we've got my private plates on at the moment. So if you guys don't know, this is my brand new car. It is a Volkswagen Scirocco 2-litre TSI, and it's a auto, which people hate, mate. Look at, let's have a look in there. As you guys can see, it's an auto. Everybody hates it. I'll get into it in a little bit, but look at this. In the sun, it is very swirly at the moment. I don't know if you guys can see, like I say, Tinkerbell's like put some magic curse on this shit. It's very, very shiny. Like, it's got loads of metallic flakes and shit. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. A lot of people want me to change the wheels. I want to change the exhaust straight away. I want it to sound like that. Definitely gonna have to debadge the back end. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know the modifications you want to see. Definitely gonna have to ceramic coat this and polish it at some point. Just waiting on a few companies to get back to me, and then we can make this car look incredible. It's gonna look incredible. And also, these brake calipers need to get painted because they are like a moldy cheese colour. So anyway, one last look at the car. There you go. The sun strip has got to go on before the end of summer, of course. Let's get in the car. Let's go on a little drive, baby. Oh, nice and toasty in here. Hello! Let me know what you guys think about this interior, because literally, stepping up from the Corsa, this is luxury for me, baby. This is like I'm in the Ritz. Foot on the brake. And then turn the key. Very fancy, very fancy. Ooh! Look, we got coolant temperature, we got the, you know, the fucking dials, fuel gauge, coolant, and oil temperature up here. We got a turbo bar thing. Honestly, someone explain that to me. I don't know what turbo bar means, how much boost it has. I don't fucking know, mate. Pretty lit in here. We've got auto stop start off. We can turn that off because we're gonna have a little fun today. I don't know, but yeah, pretty much foot on the brake, press this little button right here. It really is like putting a fighter jet in. I've never drove a fighter jet, but press that button, move it into drive. And then the weirdest thing about autos that I had to get used to is the creeping thing. So you just lift your foot off the brake a little bit and it will start moving without you touching the accelerator. Oh shit, I left the handbrake on. That's not a good start. Yeah, people really didn't like the fact that I got an auto, but like Chloe said, you're not the ones driving it, lad. I mean, I do agree with Chloe in that sense, but also we've got DSG farts for you lot to hear in the POVs in the near future when we get the exhaust. We've also, just checking nobody's running a red light, you know what I'm saying? And also, like, look how far I can sit away from the steering wheel and just chill, mate. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. Like, literally, I'm just chilling. I'm in my chill position. And obviously, we just whack on cruise control just like that. And obviously, we're good. Downshift. Nice. I'm absolutely in love with this car, mate. Absolutely in love. And going around corners and stuff, you definitely notice it's like, it honestly is a step. It's like being in a Ferrari to me, this, because I've come from a Corsa. And I've only ever driven Ford Fiesta and stuff like that, but this is really nice. When you're going around corners, you barely feel sway, body sway. In the Corsa, you literally feel like you're on a fucking road. Oh, Jesus. You feel like you're on a fucking roller coaster and you're about to fly off. But this one, pretty lit if you ask me. Am I allowed to go this way? I'm allowed to go this way. Also, the brakes on this are incredible. They changed. The dealership didn't even let me know about this, which I would have loved to know, but I believe they changed the front discs, the back discs, and possibly both front and back brake pads, because these are incredibly snappy right now, like incredibly. It would be nice for them to let me know so that I could take it easy on it, you know what I mean? Because you need to take it easy on the brake discs and pads for the first little bit, but I didn't get told, you know what I'm saying? I wanna give you guys a little bit of a blast in this car, just to show everyone. This car is completely stock at the moment. I want to show everyone a before which is this video, and then after, as we gradually like improve this car and increase the performance, the noise, you know what I'm saying? I cannot wait to get an exhaust on this car. It's just too fucking quiet right now. I mean, when you're accelerating, it does sound beefy from the engine, but you can't hear anything from the back. Like, I want to hear. I want my whole fucking village to hear me coming. I want them to be like, oh, it's this dickhead again. He's stuck an exhaust on this car. Or it's lush. It's lush in here, mate. We got like 50 different textures. I'm not used to this, like plasticky leather. Not really leather, but you got this little cloth kind of thing right there. It's beautiful, mate. Jeez. You gonna pass any closer, mate? You know, I wonder how do motorcyclists not get like speeding tickets? I swear I haven't seen any motorcyclists not speeding. Right, these brakes literally take some getting used to because they are so snappy. Obviously we got front and rear disc brakes now, rather than having a drum brakes at the back, which my last car did. But so this is sick. What I love about this thing is you obviously got sport gearbox mode, which you just press the button, yank it back, and then you're basically in sport. Or you can whack it to the left like in a BM, and you can have your very manual mode, so it won't change gears unless you tell it to. So down, down, possibly down again, yes, and then let's change up. Oh, you can hear the DSG farts a little, literally tiny bit. But yeah, that's actually the Forza windmill. That's where I've taken you guys today, and it's got some nice lush country roads. So yeah, you guys can enjoy, and then we'll give it a little blast and a little oil temperature's getting up. Fuck you now. Oh shit, I'm gonna kill myself with this. It's nice though. It's a nice, like, good power. Wow, I'm in love. This is a 60 road, so I can go 60. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous, mate. And we'll pass the... Are you alright, mate? Are you alright? Yeah, dickheads. Yes, spasmoids. They literally just walked in the road. And the indicator sound just like the Corsa, you know? Am I right in saying that? Shit. Let's get going. Let's go down there. Bro, the roads on this fucking place. Let's whack it in cruise control. And this is where literally, this is the feature that sold me on this car. Cruise control, baby. Yeah, I want to say a huge thank you to everybody for supporting the new car. Literally, bruv, it's mental. We had YouTube commenting on my fucking new car reveal. I don't know if you guys saw it, but I was on trending. YouTube commented. Come on. Yo, if that's not a good start to the Scirocco, come on then. So yeah, my plans for this car, let me have a little talk about my plans for this car. My plans for this car is I'm gonna go all out. We need a fat bit steering wheel cover on as soon as possible, because this is so ungrippy. We need a Cobra exhaust on the car. We need some tints on the front windscreen. We need a tint on the sides. Basically, there's a whole load of things I want to do. I want to even maybe potentially go into things like downpipes. Not 100% sure what they do. Somebody let me know, but I'm guessing it increases the flow of exhaust fumes, which allows it to escape the car, which increases power. I don't fucking know. But I'm literally planning to go all out with this car. New wheels, everything. Like, come on. That's the good thing about my car, mate. That's the good thing about my car. You can overtake people safely. That's what I'm saying, safely. My other car, I'd be on his right side for a while. This one, instant, you know what I mean? It's very quick to overtake. I'm not saying it's no RS3 or anything, but it's quick, which is safe. I did say I was going to wrap this car, however, people were telling me not to. I wanted to go all out with this car, including a wrap, but you know what? I actually agree with people. It might not need a wrap. You know, it's that colour. It's like a officially gassed purple, midnight purple RS7, I think it is. I can't believe I'm comparing a fucking thing to an RS7. But yeah, he got it wrapped and it literally looks pretty much the same colour, so we just need a few little accents on this. I'm really liking it right now because a lot of people, they said I was slating the A45. I wasn't slating an A45 or a Golf R. I was just saying that they're overdone on YouTube, and I want to be that guy who, you know what, it's not even that I want, it's not even that specific reason, it's because I like the Sciroccos, but I don't see many of them on YouTube, so I wanted to make like my own kind of, I want to make a name for the Sciroccos, because I think they're sick cars and I think they deserve a lot more content than they have currently. Oh my god. It's quick, man. I would say, you know, like, obviously, I'm not even putting my foot down because I don't want to ever put full throttle on a car unless we're doing something like a 0 to 60. But it pushes you back. And I don't know if you guys can see, but when I put my foot down in the Scirocco, the turbo dials go up, which obviously I'm not looking at, so I can't see, but it's just cool for the passengers to see. It's so utterly useless that it's useful. Listen to these downshifts, right? You can't hear anything. Ready? We're going to go second. I don't know if you guys can hear absolutely anything, but all you can hear is like a Hoover sound. This car does drink petrol though, I've got to say. Hold on, let's go. Jesus crikey. Crikey, really. You dickhead, man. Cheers, boss. Because that fucking cunt wouldn't stand on the fucking grass. Am I in the wrong here? Let me know, right? If you can see a car come in and a fucking massive horse lorry come in, and there's one cunt walking right there when there is clearly a grass verge that he can stand on, why would you not stand on that? I'm not even joking now. Are people like, I'm in a car, fam. Hold on. When you go low down, ready? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's safe. I'm saying it's safe right now. This is a 6-year-old, just letting everybody know, so let's blur it out. It gets so quick at 60 quick though, doesn't it? Like, I don't want to hear nobody saying they got a quicker car, because just allow me to enjoy myself. Right then, guys, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the new car. There are going to be plenty of more modification / videos on it very, very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart all the support you guys have given me for this new car. It deserves a honk. It's a very nice sounding honk, I can tell you that. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at @OtherStuff, and subscribe if you are new. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see their faces in my next video.